you want to start?
So our team's topic was, as you know, conflict resolution. So I think that communication is a very important part when it comes to conflict resolution. So like when there are problems between two parties, it is important that we hear both sides equally and then we decide. If there is another party involved to find a solution, they have to hear both sides, find their advantages and disadvantages and make sure they find a solution that works for both parties. And it should not just be advantageous to one person, it should be advantageous to both people and they should agree to it. So what is it?
Okay, in our side, we are saying we have to, before the conflict resolution, we have to do critical thinking because we are trying to stop conflict first. For example, in Romania, there is an example, it's a huge example. They got elected, there is a guy, no one doesn't know that much. Just last 2 weeks, he came and he got elected, but he was saying, yeah, I'm gonna stop the aliens, I'm gonna save the world, and he got elected because
How did he get it?
people didn't use that much critical thinking, and they didn't realize what he's saying, is it true or false. So it happened conflict, it became conflict because we didn't use critical conflict. Yeah, I'm saying first we have to do our best with critical thinking. So if you do that, there is no conflict. So if there is no conflict, you don't have to use conflict resolution.
I think critical thinking is important, but as one of my team members already mentioned, people think differently. Not everybody has the same point of view. So in your country, the person got elected. So that means there are people who agree with him, and there might be people who doesn't agree with him.
Okay.
So I think communication is important to clear that out. Like not everybody will think the same way.
Yeah.
So
for example, I want to say, for example, he's thinking there's aliens, they are ruling the world, and you wanna save the world. So are we have to say, okay, maybe he's right, or just we have to think and we have to decide, no, it's not true.
See, in a democracy, people can think whatever they want. They have the freedom to do that. But I think critical thinking is finding out which works for you and which doesn't work for you, I guess.
Time, please.